Do you know why banks love giving you credit cards, personal loans, and those easy monthly installments? It's not because they want to help you, it's because your debt is their biggest source of profit. In today's video, we're exposing the dark side of credit, how banks profit from your debt, and how you can escape the trap. Let's get started with the Wealth Forum. At first glance, credit looks like freedom. Swipe now, pay later. Get what you want today. Worry about it tomorrow. But behind the scenes, the system is built to keep you paying for as long as possible. Interest rates, hidden charges, penalties, these aren't accidents. They are deliberate features. Banks don't want you to pay off your debt quickly. They want you trapped in a cycle where you pay them far more than you ever borrowed. One of the sneakiest tricks is the minimum payment on credit card bills. It looks harmless. Just pay a small amount, and you're good. But here's the truth. Paying only the minimum can keep you in debt for decades. Why? Because while your balance barely decreases, interest keeps piling up. Over time, you end up paying 2, 3, even 4 times the original amount. To banks, that's pure profit. To you, it's financial slavery. Here's where the difference comes in. Most people use credit to buy things that lose value immediately. Clothes, gadgets, vacations, lifestyle upgrades. But the rich use credit as a tool. They borrow money to invest in assets, like real estate, businesses, or investments that generate income. In short, the poor use credit to consume, while the rich use credit to multiply wealth. Same system, two very different outcomes. So, how do you break free? Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Never fall for the minimum payment trap. Use credit only when it builds or buys assets that can increase in value. Build an emergency fund so you don't rely on credit every time life throws a surprise at you. The key is to flip the script. Stop being the customer that banks profit from and start becoming the kind of person who uses money strategically. The dark side of credit isn't just about borrowing. It's about staying in debt forever while banks grow richer off your payments. Once you understand this game, you'll never look at credit the same way again. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to subscribe and join the Wealth Forum, where we reveal the truths about money that schools and banks will never teach you.